Risk reward ratio. Risk to reward ratio in simple words says how much risk you can take in a trade in order to achieve rewards. It is explained as 1 is to 2 risk to reward or 1 is to 3 risk to reward. Now, in simple words, if you are keeping 10 point stop loss, risk reward ratio says you should at least get 20 points as a reward if you win. If you lose, you will lose 10 points. If you win, you will win 20 points. In this one, if you are losing 8 points as stop loss, so 3 points, 8 threes are 24. 24 points you should get as a reward. Even if your winning percentage is 40, 50 is considered very good. Only 40% you win. Then also, if you follow risk reward ratio consistently, even with this smaller one also, then also at the end of the month, you will be a profitable trader. Let me show you how. So, with 40% winning rate, you actually made in a month, you made 40 trades, yeah, out of which your 40 trades are winning trade, which is 16, and 60 trades, 60% trades are your losing trades. So 24 trades are losing trades and 16 trades are winning trades. So 24 into 1, because whenever you're losing, you're risking 1 point here, you're losing. So 24 into 1% is minus 24, 16 trades. So you're winning at least 2. We are not taking 3. We are taking the worst case scenario. Even if you follow this one, 1 is to 2. So reward is 2. Whenever you're winning, you're taking double the stop loss points. So 16 into 2 is 32. When we minus 32 minus 24, the total still is 8%. You still have 8% return per month. Trading is all about following discipline. If you follow discipline, I'm telling you, sooner or later, you will start earning from the market. And once it is recorded in the brain, what to do and what not to do, then it becomes automatic thing, like tying your shoelace or driving a car.